Hey guys, I'm Chadwick Boyd. I'm here at my test kitchen and I'm cooking with Fresh Express Sweet Dijon Organic Salad Kit. It's so delicious, y'all. You know, they're brand new in grocery stores and produce sections, and they're right next to the deli. So I like to eat them with all these cool, crispy mix-ins. Look at this. They've got crispy chickpeas, pepitas or pumpkin seeds, and even chia seeds. So they've got a little extra texture and health benefit. Now you can eat this with this delicious, creamy, tangy, sweet Vidalia onion dressing. But I have another idea that I think you're gonna love. Grain bowls are really popular today, and I love to make grain bowls with this because of the tender, delicious lettuce. Eric, come in here and so everybody can see how beautiful these lettuce leaves are. Look at the color, aren't they so pretty? So I'm gonna just put this in a regular kitchen bowl that I just pulled out of the cupboard. And today I added some bulgur wheat to my rice cooker. Now bulgur wheat is really cool. It's a great grain, it's cracked wheat, and it cooks in 10 minutes. So all I did was add a cup of the bulgur wheat, 2 cups of low sodium chicken broth, and I chopped up a half of a sweet onion. And I popped this in here and I let it go for 10 to 15 minutes and boom, it comes out delicious just like this. Now this is something that you can make on a Sunday afternoon and just eat on all throughout the week. So in using this grain bowl, if you don't want to use bulgur wheat but you love millet or farro or anything else, that works just fine. I'm going to take a big scoop and put it right next to that delicious lettuce. You can see the sweet onion in there, which works really well with the dressing. And then, you know, when I was at the grocery store, I picked up a few other things, like hummus, this red pepper hummus. I'm gonna nestle this in here also. Love the rich flavor that works well with the lettuce leaves here of the red pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle on the pepitas to give it a nice extra texture. The crispy chickpeas, get them all over there. I love all that stuff. And then sprinkle on the chia seeds. How easy is that? Now, I also love to pick up these fresh mozzarella balls that are already, Eric, get in here so everybody can see it. These marinated in herbs and olive oil. I'm just gonna drop them in. Sprinkle or drizzle some more of this for extra flavor. Now I also made this feta. I had some feta with some Italian herbs, dried herbs, and some olives and olive oil. You can put that in there also. And you know, if you like, I love roasted red pepper, which adds some color. Drop that in right next to the hummus. They're sweet and delicious. And if you like, there's also tangy goat cheese. This one is an herbed one, but you can also just do a plain log and just slice it up and put it on top of there. And then for the very end, drizzle on this sweet, delicious dressing. Now the great thing about this dressing, you can put it on the bulgur too, is that Vidalia onion is naturally sweet, and so this dressing brings out that sweetness, but it also has a little zip and a little tang, which is really great with all these different flavors mixed together. And if you don't like kind of soft bread, right here I've got some toasted naan. You can also just throw in some bagel crisps. These are garlic flavored. Anything that you like, and I usually make 2 of these at a time out of a kit, but if you want to do more for the whole family, grab 2. You can find this idea on the Facebook page of Fresh Express. Make sure you like it. Follow along on freshexpress.com. There are awesome tips and recipes too. And make sure you go to the grocery store and pick up these new organic salad kits. I know that you're going to love them. Thank you for watching.